All right, we are in Sequoia National Forest, and just some notes about some things. Temperatures are fluctuating anywhere between 27 and 31 degrees, so a lot colder than we had anticipated. Once we get there to Grant Grove, though, it shouldn't be too much longer. We'll reassess. Certainly want to look at a couple options, either kicking the accelerator up to about a 15 or 20% by volume, and we'll see how this all works out. Stay tuned for further. Take care. We're in the forest here, literally, and a lot of these manholes are tough to get to, but certainly a pretty interesting experience. 27 in total. I think we're at number. What number is this, Sam? 8 and 7? So yeah, we're just cruising right along here. Not a bad view. Definitely some very interesting manhole placement, but we got one guy going ahead drilling and setting ports. Right now he's vacuuming out the holes. He's also introducing water where we don't have nature giving us water. And then the gentleman to my right, that's Abel, he's actually hooking up to the ports and injecting. And I'm the drill operator here. All right, it's me, and we're back. 12:12. So we just got done injecting for the last 3 hours, and gotta say, it went very well. And what they did is they started a production system to where a guy was out ahead drilling and setting ports, and then we'd had guys coming behind and doing the hookup and the injection, and it just, the whole thing went very, very, very well. Pretty excited about it. So I'm actually back on my way, leaving now. So after a few hours, they had enough confidence to be able to have a good injection, and we saw some very good results. We went with a 10%. We were doing 20 and 2, so 20 ounces of the resin, 15-10, and 2 ounces of the accelerator. I mean, the guy on the nozzle started getting a feel for it after some time. The whole thing was very, very good success. Let's hope that these guys carry through good maintenance now from this point forward. So on my way home, and everything went very well. I thought it was a very good visit, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.